Hello. Scientists in the US are developing miniature drones to pollinate flowers, but admit they can be hacked and used as a weapons against humans. Researchers promise that the remote controlled drones can pollinate flowers and prevent the extinction of many plant species. Professor Shashi Shekhar, who is working on the project, says these drones could even eliminate food shortages on the planet. The scientist hopes that the US development will approve funding for this project for at least 2 years. We are trying to understand why bee colonies are dying on Earth. Development of such drones is a backup plan. The world is already losing a lot of plants because of the decline of bees. This could lead to a decline not only in the planet population but also in the animal population. And then there will be famine, says the scientist, but at the same time, Shekhar acknowledged that the drones can be hacked. If terrorists, for example, were to take control of such bees, they could use the bees to contaminate very large areas of the land with the chemicals, which is directly related to the issue of the human life. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for future videos.